Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to set up Google Analytics on Shopify. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard. On the left sidebar, we'll go to the online store option. This opens the themes page with a new submenu. We'll scroll down and click on Preferences. Clicking this opens the Preferences page. For now, we'll leave this page open. Let's open a new browser tab. You'll go to the Google website. On google.com, click the 9-dot icon for Google Apps. Let's click it. Scroll down to find the Google Analytics icon. This opens the Google Analytics welcome page. Let's begin by clicking the Start button. If you've never set up Google Analytics, you'll create an account first. You'll see some information here. First, it'll ask you to create an account name. Enter any name you prefer here. It's your account name for easy recognition when logging in. I'll use the channel name for this. Below, you'll find data sharing options. You can select or deselect as you wish. I'll keep the default settings. Now let's click Next on the left side. Next, it'll ask you to create a property. This is where you'll set up your websites or stores in Google Analytics. You can name this whatever you like too. I'll use the same name as before. Here, you can choose your country of residence. So go ahead and select your country. You can also set your time zone. From there, it'll configure exactly how many accesses occur at each time. You can view the analytics. Below, you can also choose your currency. You can select Brazilian real, Argentine peso, or dollar. Choose whichever you prefer. Next, we'll click Next. Now it'll ask you to describe your business. Here it'll ask for the category. Click and choose your business or company category. You can pick any, it won't make a difference. I'll choose one and it'll ask about business size. You can select small, medium, large, or very large. Choose one and then click Next. Now it'll ask about your business objectives. You can select leads, sales, traffic, or others. I'll choose traffic, which is what we usually track with Google Analytics. Finally, click on Create. Here you'll be asked to accept the terms. Simply access the terms. On the next page, you'll set up the platform. This is where your site or store is. Choose if it's web, Android, or iPhone app. We'll select the web option. It'll ask for your website URL. Here you'll just edit. You can use www or not. I'll edit it here. After editing the URL, set the visible name. Enter your desired name. Then click Create and Continue. The next page will open the configuration page for our tag. You can skip this step as manual setup isn't needed, but feel free to keep the page open. Now let's go back to Shopify and return to the Preferences page. Scroll down to the Google Analytics option and click the Configure button. Just click on the Google Configure button. The Google App installation page will open. Click Install. A new page will open. Click Connect to link your Google account. Select the Google account you want to connect from the new tab. Confirm by clicking Continue, then it'll ask for permissions. Simply scroll down and click the Authorize button. Your account is now connected, and below you'll connect the Google Analytics property and see a list of properties you've created in Google Analytics, including the one we just made. Now we'll go to the right side and click Connect. Done. It's now connected, so Google Analytics is set up in Shopify. Let's go back to the Google Analytics page we were on and click Test Installation on the right. Great, it's been detected successfully. Click Confirm and it'll show the config data again. It says it's not active, but you need to wait 48 hours for confirmation, so don't worry. I'll click the X on the left to exit, and now the Google Analytics homepage will open. It'll say no data has been received yet, but since you just finished setting up in Shopify, you need to wait. I recommend waiting about 48 hours. After that, the message will disappear and you can start seeing user activities and access analytics directly here on the Google Analytics homepage. You've now successfully set up Google Analytics in Shopify. I hope this video helped.